Hello recording artists. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do some multi-track recording in Audacity. Now, multi-track recording means you're recording one track and then at another time you record a second track and then a third and a fourth, however many you want. But two or more tracks would be multi-track recording. Let me show you how it's done. You'll notice I have Audacity open here and there's no tracks recorded yet. I'm going to click on the level, the meter for the record level right here first to make sure I have a nice healthy level. Now, it doesn't want to hit the top because it'll clip, but this is a little low. So I'm going to slide my input level up a little more. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2, maybe a little bit more. Check 1, 2, that's pretty good. Now, if you're not sure how to set the record levels yourself, you can watch the tutorial here in this series on setting the record levels. Okay, so now I'm ready to record. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, a little bit of beatbox. And I counted myself in, and if you notice, all I did to record was I just hit the record button. That was it. And when I was finished, I hit stop. Be careful not to hit pause. Pause won't stop the recording, it'll just be paused. So you need to make sure you hit stop when you're finished recording. Now I have my headphones on. So my headphones are not loud enough that my microphone can hear it. If my microphone could hear my headphones, or if I was using speakers, it would cause feedback. So we don't want that. That's why I'm wearing headphones. Okay, let's hit record again now to record track 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, a little bit of a hi-hat. That's cool stuff. If you couldn't hear the first track as you were recording the second track, that's going to be a problem because you won't know when to come in and what to do. Here's how you fix that if you did have that problem. You go to Audacity Preferences and you go to Recording. Now under Recording, you'll see Overdub. Play other tracks while recording new one. That has to be checked. If it's not checked, you won't be able to hear track 1 as you record track 2. And click OK. So there you go. Now, if we listen to that back, let's see how it sounds. I think we may have a little bit of a problem, though. 1, 2, 3, 4. My hi-hats sound a little late. So I'm going to zoom in on my recording. I'm going to scroll over, and I want these to be lined up, but you can see it's a little bit late. I'm going to use my time shift tool to slide my track over a little. And if you're not sure how to use the time shift tool, then there's a video here in this series on how to use it. You should check that out. Let's push play again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Much nicer, much nicer. So there you go. That's all that's involved in doing a multi-track recording in Audacity. That could have been guitar or drums or vocals or whatever, but it's very, very simple. So there you go. Have fun.